Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck, and today we are going to make some old-fashioned comfort food. We're making chicken salad. Not chicken, but vegan chicken salad. We're going to use soy curls. Now, if you've never heard of soy curls, they are simply non-GMO, organic soybeans that have been steamed, they've been shredded, and then they're dried, and they come in a package look just like that, and they're real crispy. Now, you can buy these at any Whole Foods. You can buy them in your co-op. You can find them in some grocery stores. And I'll put a link down below for Amazon. They're definitely available there. And you can also buy them directly from the company Butler Foods. Now, we're going to rehydrate them because they're crispy and crunchy and can't use them like this. And I'm going to add a little bit of poultry seasoning to my liquid. You can use water. There's 1 cup. You can use veg broth. Sometimes I mix it up. Veg broth will give it some more flavor. So there's a cup of veg broth and then another cup of water. However you do it, you want about 3 cups of liquid. You can use just water too. You don't have to add seasoning. This is my garlic aioli. There's no oil. I use cashews and white beans. And I'll put a link below for the recipe. That was, last week? A couple weeks ago, for my smashed potatoes and garlic aioli. And that'll show you how I made that. Super creamy. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of mustard for this dressing for my chicken salad. The rest of this is just making chicken salad. Use celery, some red onion, some red bell pepper, some pickle relish, whatever you like in your chicken salad. As much as you like, as little as you like. And I'll have a complete description, all the ingredients, step by step, in the link below, so you can check that out. I added grapes to mine this time. They were really good. Like I said, tuna salad, chicken salad, however you make it, this is what you do right here. Some shredded carrot. That's really good. And those are the soy curls. They've been sitting. We're going to drain those in a colander. And here's a little trick. You want to get all the moisture out of these as you can, as much as you can. You're going to squeeze them out. Just take a regular bowl like that, push down, and you can see all the water come out. Here's a close-up. Now squeeze as much of that liquid out as you can. And then give them a quick chop if you want. I like to chop mine up. They're kind of long and stringy. If you like that, fine. If you don't, yeah, chop them up. Here comes the bubbies. I love this stuff. It's just dill pickle relish. You can use sweet pickle relish, whatever you like. And the dressing. That's that garlic aioli with the mustard. And about a cup of that. However much you like. And you got chicken salad. Super easy, super tasty. It makes a lot. So great for sandwiches, great for salads. There you go. That's the recipe for the week. Hope you liked it. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up and come back next week. We'll do another video. I have no idea what yet, but it'll be plant-based. And that's the whole idea of this channel, is to show you simply how easy it is to cook plant-based. Again, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.